Hello, this is Von Wolf here. I'm being barraged by rain. I'm trying to run home through a rainstorm, but oh God, will I make it? I'm running home from this really big thunderstorm. It's spring, and as soon as spring comes, showers come. Help me! Wish I had an umbrella, but I don't have one. Oh God, there's a bunny. Just ran across my path. Sorry. I'm trying to keep my camera from getting wet. Oh God. Oh my Lord and Lord. Almost home. Oh man. The screen's pretty wet. Although I do have a super duper protective case. I'm recording with my mobile device. I have a really protective case for it. So yeah, it's like a military case. I don't know why you would bring your phone to the military. Maybe you want to call your family. I don't know. Whatever. Oh God, thunder. Now I can say I ran home through a thunderstorm. Yay! Okay, bye.